The soon-to-be Biden administration is looking to bring Dr. Rachel Levine into the fold. Pennsylvania's health secretary has been nominated to be Assistant Health Secretary for the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Royce Jones talked with members of the transgender community about what Levine's nomination means. Royce.
Well, Kim, the incoming Biden administration selected Dr. Rachel Levine because of her role in leading Pennsylvania through the coronavirus pandemic, expertise the president-elect hopes she'll bring to Washington. And tonight, the transgender community is hoping this new voice will open new discussions for the unheard and underserved.
She's a smart lady, she's graceful, she's poised, she can do this.
Being transgender and having experienced both verbal and physical assault, the personal life of Cora Berna is plagued by fear.
I'm often afraid to even leave the city sometimes because it gets a little tougher outside of the city.
Tuesday,
and I got this text on my phone and I pulled over and I read it 3 or 4 times. So I was like, this isn't true. This isn't true. It's true.
Her fear transitioned to empowerment when news broke Pennsylvania Health Secretary Dr. Rachel Levine was tapped to become Assistant Health Secretary for the Biden administration and the first openly transgender federal official confirmed by the U.S. Senate.
I think it's exciting for the country and the world.
Marty Healy leads the nation's second oldest LGBTQ mental health agency here in Pittsburgh and believes this historic moment will have monumental impact.
I think it's perfect, and I think from a trauma perspective for our trans community, it starts to alleviate some of that when real people do real jobs to lead our country.
If she's confirmed, Dr. Levine will help lead the country's coronavirus response as the pandemic reaches another grim milestone of more than 400,000 deaths nationwide. When things settle down, her supporters hope Dr. Levine uses her voice to address healthcare disparities in the trans and minority communities.
It's an important role to have that empathetic ear up there.
Dr. Levine was unavailable for an interview today, but released a written statement acknowledging her accomplishments, fighting the opioid epidemic and diseases like HIV and Hep C. She says, "I look forward to the opportunity to continue to serve Pennsylvanians and all Americans as part of the Biden administration, and if I am fortunate enough to be confirmed to this position." She has served under the Wolf administration since 2015. Reporting live, Royce Jones, KDKA News.